darling Fumi Nation, how are you? How are we? My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, how nade? You are so very welcome indeed, my loves, because today we have a red carpet from Lagos. Yes, we do. And without a beat, we are going to jump right in. Yes, ma'am. It is the Ada Omodadi premiere with a dazzling showcase of cultural elegance. Let us look at the gorgeous looks and let us start with girlfriend Mercy, looking fabulous. Fabulous in this award. I didn't see it coming. I live for it. I love the traditional. I love the hair. I love her spear, if that's what you can call it. It was gorgeous. I love the, oh my God, the crystals. I love the red. It was just everything. She looked absolutely fabulous. When I tell you, it was giving me Wakanda. It was giving me film premiere. This is when they tell you pull up and you pull all the way up. Absolutely fabulous, Mercy. Then we had Omowunmi. Oh, in this beautiful sea foam green. That's just the only way I can look at it. Cinched in at the waist, the crystals dancing down her arms, and then you had different pearls, different colored pearls and crystals, just to encase and embody the edges of her décolleté, and the makeup flawless, hair gorgeous, and the gilly was fabulous. She looks like Mami Water. That's the only way I can describe it. Mami what? Mami Water. Like a beautiful fish from the deep sea. Gorgeous. Nothing to complain about in any way, shape, or form. That's all I can say about that. The color is gorgeous on her skin tone. And let me give a shout out right now to all of the photographers, the cinematographers, the hair people, yes, the hairdressers, the stylists, the makeup artists that spend and invest the time that they do this, because we just see the finished product. And then we have the audacity to say we don't like it. We like it. This takes months in preparation and all day up until the event to look as gorgeous like this. Go right ahead, mama. I live for you. I love you, Omowunmi. God bless. Do your thing. Then we have Bookami. Bookami is giving us very similar shades as Omowunmi, but it is different. The gilly is gorgeous. And again, it's giving me the fins of a fish. It really is, because the way that they put this together, fabuloso. The makeup is beautiful. I cannot, there's nothing to really there's nothing to really, no, this was head to toe. Even the nails even match the necklace. Red carpet, gorgeousness, looking flawless in this. Absolutely flawless. I lived for this. Ah, Yvonne. Naija babes, nawafona. Beautiful. The headpiece is fire. The positioning of the dress, the bust line, flawless. Flawless execution. It's funny because I am not one for where a dress is sheer and you have like opaque lining. I really don't care for it. I would really prefer that you just had like a sheer lining so that it blurs out what is supposed to blur out. In this case, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. She looks like a chandelier in a beautiful palace. And she has her spade. Gorgeous. You know, she says here, I decided to modernize an effic look. Beautiful. Gorgeousness. Let me look at her makeup. Flawless. Mercy Eke. Mercy Eke wore red. Beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And she had a silver bag, and I was almost going to say she should have had a red bag, but it was well executed because you can see the silver detail on the bottom half of her dress, and so she pulled that in together. Do I think it was enough to have that solid silver bag? No. And it's a situation where she has cool tones and warm tones because she's got gold in the dress as well as the silver. That is the detail. And she's holding a red and gold fan. And then silver earrings. The fan should have been silver and red. Keep the gold there, but I think it was too much because something is throwing me off, as if she's deciding which one should I take and took both, because she's got pure red bejeweled bust line, which is gorgeous, and then she's got silver shoes. I see where she was trying to go with it, but I think the fan should go because she's got silver earrings, silver bag, silver shoes with a red and gold fan. And it wasn't necessary. Stay with the silver or stay with the gold. You know what I mean? But having said that, very beautiful woman. Very beautiful, beautiful smile, beautiful complexion, gorgeousness all the way. I lived for it. Papaya EG. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Are they all Igbo? This gives me a kind of Igbo vibes. Like a Christmas tree in a good way. I love the crystals. I love the hairpiece. I love the look. I love the coral. It's gorgeous. I like that shade of green. And I think perfect. And I like the fact that she's showing us that she had like a tail and the tail could be done without. Oh, I see. It was a coat with the puffy sleeves. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. She has a lovely full bust and she catered to that as well. Go right ahead, mama. These girls came here and they ate. We have a wonderful gentleman and he looks gorgeous. Absolutely steezy, but make it cultural. Yup, 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 yup. And this is by Tayo Adeyemi and he looks fabulous. I love it. I love the colors that he chose. I love the corals. I love the red. Gorgeousness. 100%. I think this has to be one of the first red carpets ever of where I don't have any worse dress so far. I'm trying to see, I'm trying to look, but everybody came there and gave fire. Nkechi looking like somebody here. I love it. I love it. And she came with her dancers to boot. What not to love? This is how I want to start rolling. I want to be rolling with my dancers, with my fanners, with my security. Very well executed. You can see the stylists doing their thing. What's not to love? What, my darling, is not to love right out here in these fabulous streets? She did a good job. There's nothing that was missed here. And I have critiqued her many a time. And it seems as if she has taken my advice. Because there was once upon a time where she had worn an outfit that wasn't complimentary to her fabulosity. In this case, this is gorgeous. Nothing to be said. Absolutely beautiful. Eniola. My favorite. My favorite. My absolute favorite. My absolute favorite. Again, the dress, beautiful. Very, very well executed from head to toe. The only thing that I would say is stick to one tone of jewelry. And I know that is kind of cliche in the sense that you can wear your golds and your silvers together if it's all in the same kind of pattern design family. But when it's all mismatched like this, I right away focus on them and it gives me the feeling of you didn't know what to wear, so you just wore them all. The mere fact that you've got this beautiful silver applique on your neckline, I think you should have stayed with the silver jewelry. And then the makeup, just a little bit was too light. They did not blend it all the way. They should have blended it. But this was serious mama jamma. Because the makeup, you can see, is very, very different from her neck. You have to blend it, blend it, blend it, bring it all the way. And they should have really given her some bronzing around the face so that the face did not look masky. Or it could have been a situation, because you know Lagos is hot. It changed color, and so the foundation cannot be trusted. But she looks like fire. Beautiful I am Alesh. I love it. I love it. It is beautiful. Handsome man. I love the tats. I love the elephant. I love the tusks. I love the coral. I love the pop. It worked for me in every way, shape, or form. It's just so, culture is so rich. Our culture is so rich. There's no way you cannot embrace it, because it embraces you. Fabulous. Fabulous. Queen Mercy Tang. I wish I picked a different outfit for the culture. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's just a lot. So I don't know. I don't know. We have official Omowunmi. I love this when I saw this on Choma, on the Real Housewives of Lagos season 1, the reunion. She wore this for the reunion. I lived for it then. I live for it now. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeousness. And now I know that it's Igbo, because I know Choma is Igbo. It's beautiful. It's giving me queenship. There's nothing to be said. 110%. Live for this. Yeah, mama.
Now today I know say I get plenty haters. Jesus. The moment I step inside Auntie Mercy's events, almost audio blog want to swallow me. If you see one video flying around, I was warning one lady. The lady was trying to capture a bad moment of me. Why? She almost took her phone inside my eye. Now me say, if I slap you, if I was to slap, I don't get shame. I feel fight for anywhere, for party, everywhere. If you step on my toes, I can fight everywhere. I don't have a shame. Why? Now only be celebrity for that party. You want to be a voice on my eye without Android phone, China phone, Bangalo phone, everybody do a big video of me without filter. I say it is not today. Not wear false glam. Conceal my face. Guys, go and follow my makeup artist False Glam. I was glowing. Look at those videos flying around. Look at how pretty I was looking. Thank you to False Glam. For me to bring False Glam from Benin to Lagos, I know what's up. I know what's up. You want to shame me this night, but you know what? Now me win. Now me even find pass. See my dress. See my dress. Tell your favorites to show you what they are wearing. Hey, Abbas, you do this one. You do this one for me. See my dress. Everybody, Bobrisky, you look so pretty. Oh my God, you look elegant. You look sexy. Now so you be, I be mommy of Lagos. You try me, you see nonsense. Thank you once again. First clown.
We have the beautiful Bobrisky. Yes. Gorgeous. Love that gilly. I love the pattern of it. I love the dress. I love the rings. The only thing that I would say, the nails are way too long. It's not necessary to go all the way there like that, mama. No. But everything else was beautiful, is beautiful. The nails are too long. The color was wrong. You should have gone with a beautiful, lovely French manicure, and this would have been copacetic. I see where you were going with it, mama. But it just drew too much attention. But the rings are absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely live for it. And last but not least, we have the fabulous Abiodun Folashade Tokunbo. Tokunbo is my name too. Yeah. And you look like a dream. I love the sleeves. I love that cinched in waistline. I live for that clutch bag. I don't care for the sheer sleeves that are coming down over the hands. Not necessary. You just should have had it right up by the elbow and leave it like that so we can just see your beautiful hands and jewelry. Everything was copacetic. And yes, mama, go right ahead and do your thing. It's very much like a teal gray, teal green, something like that. But it is giving me Queen of the Nile. Absolutely loved it. And that was it, my darlings, for the fabulous Omowunmi Dada film premiere. Gorgeousness. And yeah, I think I'm going to watch it. That's it, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you when? I will see you sooner than later.